I'm David Harris. I'm from Intelligent Concrete. I'm the principal engineer.
And I am Whitney Belkowitz, President and CEO of Intelligent Concrete. And today we are at ASTM in downtown Denver. David, we just had a meeting today. Can you tell us about that meeting?
We did, yeah. We met with the Emerging Materials Group, ASTM, and talked about colloidal silicon concrete and how to bring that up into the industry.
And specifically, it was about writing the specification for it. And John used to go to these meetings, and he has passed it off to David, and I totally get why.
Why did he pass it off to David?
Well, because John has had a tendency of losing his shit a little bit there. And you know what? I totally get it. Like, I sat in there for about 8 minutes, and I was, like, ready to go. Like, it was incredibly aggravating, David.
But you got to keep that end product in mind. You got to keep that goal in mind.
Right.
That having spent almost 40 years in the federal government and writing public guidelines and public standards, and here we are writing international guidelines and international standards, and so it's a pretty important piece of business. So it deserves some amount of back and forth.
Oh, I agree.
It deserves some amount of discussion and whatnot. And the STM has some structure. It's not just, one big argument. I mean, it has a form and style. It has different sections that you have to write, and then each section has certain content you're supposed to put in. And then so you write that first draft, and you're so proud, and you just, wow, here it is.
We've got it.
We got it, and in our office we work back and forth. We review each other's work and help improve and whatnot. And then you go out to that first ballot, 400 comments.
Most of which are from people who don't even regularly attend the meetings.
That's true.
Right.
400 comments. So you spend a few months getting those resolved. You form a work group, and the work group works through them, puts in their input, and you edit it, and you get it all ready. And wow. Now you've got it. We're going to ballot 2.
It's dialed in.
We're just so dialed in. We're calibrated. We're certified. We're ready. This is it. Ballot 2. Shoo. Thank goodness. 250 comments. Most of which were from people that didn't comment on the first one. But that's how it goes.
Yeah.
That's how it goes.
What's the timeline for getting any with that? Because that's a lot of time, and everyone's pretty much volunteering to write this stuff. No one's getting paid to do this. So, what's the timeline from start to finish for actually getting an ASTM
6
out?
months.
Well,
Right.
a ballot is
Sammy will be graduating high school.
a ballot.
Sorry.
Here we go. As I was saying, a ballot is a draft.
Right.
And so you have to draft, get out to the vote, get back. So you get a couple drafts a year, you get a couple ballots a year. We heard the joke from off camera about 6 months. We were told it'd be 6 months, and we're in about 3 years so far.
Oh, I would think probably, you're looking at least another year. You've at least got
At
another.
least in the committee meeting we were in this morning, that was ballot 10. So yeah, we're looking at universal theorem of pi here.
Yep. Slowly.
Rightfully so.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, this is
It's
legal
important stuff,
ramifications
right.
for this after it's done.
Yeah, you estimate what it's going to take and just
Right.
multiply it by pi.
Right.
That's how long it's going to take.
And then probably by pi one more time.
Well, could be.
All right.
So that's why we're here.
That's why we're here. And David, bless him, is just slowly chipping along, and he stays so patient. And people will say the same thing 46 times, and he just politely listens and responds to the question. Like, it is very impressive to watch David. Like, he is great, and I'm so glad we have handed ASTM over to David, because he's doing a phenomenal job.
Thank you. It's water over rock. We'll wear them down
That's
eventually.
right.
I heard John almost got into a fight in the lobby. No, seriously, that's what I heard.
And we've only been here since 7, so there you go.
So that's how it goes.
That's how it
That's the
goes.
standard process for making standards.
There you go.
Without fighting.
Or maybe a little fighting.
No.
All right, thanks so much for joining. Go ahead, like, subscribe, ding that bell for notifications. Go Concrete.
Pete, asphalt.